Brother and sister, welcome to my timeline, and this is my journey of adventure in my life. Today, I really don't know what I'm going to do. Just I'm just filming in my time in my life. Yes. I don't know what I am going to do, but think it's filming the entire life of timeline of mine. Yes, of mine. Just just talking is because here right now I am alone in the I am alone in the home house. I am alone here in house. Yes. So just filming my own self to film. Yes. Just like that. I am using front 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 camera. Yes, front. I'm yes, brother and sister. My voice is, I think, not actually good. Yes, something like I don't know what goes on, but I think my throat. Yes, my throat. Yes, life update because almost 30 days I'm not uploading. I didn't upload videos on YouTube. Yes, social medias. I think that's all. Thank you for watching, listening my videos. See you soon, brother and sister. Brother and sister. That's it. Goodbye. God bless.